What's up guys, I hope you're all having an awesome day. Let's take a look at the 5 mechanical engineering courses that you will probably fail. And quick heads up, the names of these courses differ from university to university, but it should only be the names that are different, not the pride-destroying, misery-inducing experience. Enjoy! First up we have the pure mathematics courses. These are by far the most commonly failed courses in engineering and even across all university degrees. And although it depends on where you study, fail rates of around 50% or more are pretty common. I definitely got smacked around a fair bit by them and know a few students who failed them several times, and it's just such a hellish course that you're going to have a bad time with it. Some of the reasons why they're so terrible is that unless you're into maths, you'll find them boring as hell. They also aren't subjects that you can get through by just relying on your own intuition, because no one can walk into an exam, identify that they can't use simple maths techniques, invent and write the proof for calculus, then apply it right there and then. Whereas in other courses, if you don't know what the answer is, you can usually figure something out on the spot. These courses also require a lot of work to get comfortable with the topics, but are offered early in the degree before you've had a chance to acquire and develop your own work ethic and study habits. So you'll probably still be studying like a high schooler, which, well, yeah, doesn't work. Next up we have the course of Dynamics 2, aka Advanced Control Systems, and generally courses that combine extremely complex multivariable differential calculus with abstract physical theories, all to create a hellish gypsy trip which will haunt you for the rest of your life. This course is seriously rough though, and I thought I failed it when I did it, but somehow managed to scrape through. And admittedly, a large part of its difficulty comes down to the fact that it's taught late in the degree, so you've forgotten most of the advanced maths techniques you learned in your first years of studying. So as well as trying to grasp the physical and mechanical concepts, you have to relearn your entire multivariable differential equations course, and yeah, it's great. Finally, we have these 3 courses, all of which are kind of the same thing, being more or less built on the law of conservation of energy. And some people love them, but most people struggle with them, and I know a few people who have failed them. Again, they're courses that require a strong familiarity with calculus, but luckily you do them around the middle of your degree. So the fragmented memory that's closer to a psychotic episode that you have of the few maths techniques that just got you through your calc exam might actually help you slightly, but probably won't. However, I can't deny that I did quite enjoy these classes. They're very practical and interesting subjects, which made the work somewhat less boring, but yeah, they aren't easy and prepare to struggle. Thank you for watching guys, and if you're about to start a degree, be careful with these courses, but I'm sure you'll be fine. See you around.